When the software is open, we need to start a new project. We will do this by clicking on the command new. A new window will open. By default, part will be checked, which is the environment in which we will work, so we will not touch that option. We will write the name of the project part example1 in the file name. It is only important to remember that in PTC Creo, we use the bottom line instead of spaces. The use default template field needs to be unchecked. Then click the OK button. Immediately after the confirmation of the project, a window will pop up where it is necessary to define the dimensions or the standard according to which you are working. In our case, we chose millimeters, newtons, and seconds, as if it were part and solid. When the workspace opens, select the extrude command and select the top plane. With the circle tool, we draw a two-circle of 110 millimeters in diameter. Parallel above to the horizontal axis, we will draw a line that is 45 millimeters away from the axis. Delete all unnecessary lines. Parallel below to the horizontal axis, we will draw a line that is 45 millimeters away from the axis. Delete all unnecessary lines. Once we have dimensioned our base, we will extrude it by 15 millimeters in height. Using the extrude tool, we select the upper surface and then orient ourselves towards that plane. With the circle tool, we draw a two-circle of 60 millimeters in diameter. Then draw two circles on the horizontal axis. With diameters of 26 millimeters and a distance of 40 millimeters. We will connect the circles with lines using the line tool. Then delete all unnecessary lines. When deleting lines is done, we'll extrude it by 8 millimeters in height. Using the extrude tool, we select the upper surface and then orient ourselves towards that plane. With the circle tool, we draw a two-circle of 60 millimeters in diameter. We will extrude our circle by 35 millimeters in height. Using the extrusion tool, we will select the upper surface of our two smaller circles and then set them as references. In the center of these circles, we will make circles with a diameter of 10 millimeters each. Using an extrude cut tool, and through all make it 2 holes. Using the extrude tool, we select the upper surface and then orient ourselves towards that plane. With the circle tool, we draw a two-circle of 20 mm in diameter. Using an extrude cut tool, and through all make a hole. With the chamfer tool, we will cut the edges on the upper cylindrical surface. So that the inner one is dropped by 10 mm through 45 degrees. Then the outer 5 mm through 45 degrees. To see what our model looks like in reality, we can use realistic rendering. We will assign material, let's say aluminum, and see how it looks in reality. This is the end of our project. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. If you want to support our work, click the like, share and subscribe button. For more content, follow us on our Patreon channel, where you can download models from the example and much more. I wish you a pleasant day.